some people say when you're meditating, especially this guided meditation, like find a spot where you're comfortable, where you can sit or lie down. So would you say it's okay to lie down or it's not?
So again, yes and no. When you're getting started, it is okay
Okay.
because you are just getting into that zone, you're creating that energy. Just remember the difference between guided meditation or not guided meditation or self meditation. Guided meditation is always you holding hands of someone while you learn to walk,
Yeah.
and it is okay to do that till the
Mhm.
time you learn to walk.
Right.
But in order to gain strength in your legs, in order to gain control, the balance, and everything, you'll have to let go of that support
Yeah.
sooner or later. Whenever you do that, is up to you. But why I'm saying guided meditation or self meditation is because it's okay to start when you're lying, you're comfortable, and everything else. Because if you are able to sit on your own, you will not go back to that guided meditation. You you need some assistance in order to concentrate somewhere else. And this guided meditation, this voice is helping you do that. But when you are able to concentrate on your own, you will not go back to any alternate or any artificial way of concentration, because you will be able to naturally concentrate and get more results, more benefit out of it. So it's okay if you're in some posture or not any particular posture. If you're sleeping, you're sitting, or not sleeping, you're lying, you're sitting, everything is fine for uh, meditation if you are getting started.
Okay.
If if you want to do that, even though you are a deep meditator, but you want to do that so that you want to increase your duration of meditation, or you keep thinking about your meditation, it's okay, it's good.
Yeah.
But if it is your main form of meditation, if you want to go deeper, I would say posture. There's so many things then becomes important. Not only where you sit, when you do meditation, how you sit, what you eat, what your behavior is towards society, what your mind is, your mental diet, physical diet, everything. Not just we just think of meditation as we sitting, closing our eyes, and just being able to concentrate. That is one action or one, I would say, gateway. But then, in order to reach that stage, there's so many things that are contributing factors, right? So
Right.
it's kind of a toll gate, right? I have to swipe my card or whatever to go through this toll gate. But there's so many roads that merge into that toll gate. So we have to control how we are doing things otherwise in order to go deeper. It is for deeper practice, it is advisable that we do so many things: our mental diet, physical diet, our behavior, time of meditation, maybe sometime technique as well, how we think, how we are with outside world, and how are we with ourselves as well. uh, Focus on that, and everything contributes in contributes to help you go deeper. But if you're not able to do so, fine. I mean, sitting, lying, it's good to start. And you can also do so if you're a deep meditator. Say you meditate for 2 hours a day, um, and you wanna, just before you sleep, you wanna just focus, concentrate. It is good. It is not bad at all. Or if you don't know how to meditate, you wanna, while you're lying, you're listening to your guided meditation. It is good. Yes. So context of it varies basically.
Right.
But if you ask me, if we do guided meditation like same basically lying down or comfortable sitting comfortably in one place, it will not help go deeper. It may help you change your thought process in a way. It may help you feel little better, creating some positive energy. But it is still the time that you are there, and maybe some few minutes or an hour or a couple of hours after that, and then you go back to thinking, doing the whole uh, uh, whole practical world, and again same thing, and then you come back and see, oh, now I feel good. It's like a kind of a fuel, short fuel that you are getting yourself with. So I don't know if that kind of answers your question.
Yeah, it did. It did.